With EVgo Renew, Dennis, I know you share this with me. We have an unwavering commitment to customer service. We're launching the program formally right now as EVgo Renew, but EVgo Renew will be with EVgo forever because it will be required to ensure that customer satisfaction, that great customer experience forever.
One aspect of that support is the EVgo charging crew that's available 24/7 to take calls from customers and help them successfully get through their charging experience. If there's anything that they need help with to initiate a charge, any education that they need on the process, we're there to support them. Let me also say, for customers who are going to be observing us as we go through this process, we're going to be communicating with you about stations that you might use frequently to make sure you know when we're going to be coming out and making these improvements. That way you'll be able to adapt and use charging stations nearby that are also in our network.